making requests and emails in English professionally. Direct request. I kindly request that you provide me with the updated sales report by end of day. Your prompt response is much appreciated. Polite inquiry. Could you please assist me by sharing the latest project timeline? I value your input and would be grateful for your timely response. Formal appeal. I would like to formally request your assistance in reviewing the marketing proposal before our meeting tomorrow. Your expertise will greatly contribute to its success. Suggestive approach. In light of our upcoming presentation, I suggest we schedule a brief call to discuss our strategy. Your insights will be invaluable in refining our approach. Acknowledging the request's impact. Given the importance of the upcoming client meeting, I kindly ask if you could provide me any relevant data to enhance our presentation. Your support will significantly contribute to our success. Learn to craft the perfect business email with our free Business English ebook, downloaded from the link in the bio.